Come on, keep it down now. Alright, what's really going on, PEZ Collecting Fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, Josh, your generosity and knowledge of PEZ is superhuman and rivals Yoda. Thank you for thinking of me at the Michigan PEZ convention and picking me up some awesome Star Wars Chrome PEZ. Please accept this custom fantasy PEZ made by me as a truly heartfelt thank you. I hope it royally disgusts you. Thanks again, Rory. Well, thank you, Rory.
You're welcome. Thank you.
All right, here we go. Let's see what is inside this box. Cool superhero wrapping paper. All right, we have a gold Star-Lord Thor Loki. Oh, well, thank you very much. So, until next... Oh, wait a minute. I better look in the box. It may not be the Star-Lord. What might it... It's green paper! Anticipation is killing me. It's such a big piece of green paper. Oh, wow. That is so cool, man. That is so cool. And so, a little backstory that Rory knows. Back in a previous life, I knew a professional wrestler really well by the name of the Royal Battler. And this looks very much like the Royal Battler. Oh, very acceptable. Very acceptable. Thank you, Rory. I appreciate that. Thank you both. Awesome. So until next time,